We're taking a closer look at one of the most budget-friendly laptops from Asus, the Vivobook Go 15 E1504GA. Is this the ultimate entry-level laptop for students and casual users in 2025? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Vivobook Go 15 keeps it clean and simple with a cool silver finish. Weighing just 1.63 kgs, it's lightweight and very portable for a 15.6-inch device. You get a full-size chiclet keyboard with 1.4mm key travel. It packs the Intel Core i3-N305, an 8-core, 8-thread chip clocked up to 3.8 GHz. While it's not a powerhouse, it handles everyday tasks like Chrome browsing, Microsoft Office, Zoom calls, and even light multitasking without breaking a sweat. It's paired with 8GB of DDR4 RAM. You also get a fast 512GB NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSD, making boot times and app launches. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with an anti-glare coating. It's TÜV Rheinland, certified for low blue light, good for your eyes if you're staring at it for hours. However, it only covers 45% of the NTSC color gamut. Port selection is decent: 1x USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, 2x USB-A, ports HDMI 1.4e headphone jack, and your DC in for charging. No SD card reader though. For connectivity, you may find two variants, one with Wi-Fi 5 and one with Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth 5.3, so make sure you check before buying. Backlit chiclet keyboard, 1.4mm key travel, precision touchpad. The 42Wh battery is modest, but with the efficient i3-N305 you can expect around 5-7 hours of light use. Charging is done through a 45W adapter. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. There's also a 720p webcam with a privacy shutter, a nice bonus, and speakers with decent volume for casual media consumption. Audio built-in speaker, built-in array microphone with Cortana voice recognition support. So who is the Asus Vivobook Go 15 for? If you're a student, remote worker, or just need a no-fuss laptop for browsing, streaming, and documents, this checks a lot of boxes. You're not buying this for video editing or gaming, but for under-budget users, it's a solid everyday machine. Pros: lightweight and portable, decent performance for daily tasks, fast SSD privacy shutter on webcam. Cons: non-upgradable RAM, dim display with limited color coverage.